My name is K. Vasan. I am double student of first year in SNS College of Engineering. Today I am going to Artificial Intelligence in Power Systems. Contents: Introduction, Need for AI in Power Systems, Artificial Intelligence Techniques, Fuzzy Logic Systems. Conclusion: Power System and Artificial Intelligence. First point is electric power system is a network of electrical components used to supply, transmit, and use electric power. Power system engineering deals with the generation, transmission, distribution, and utilization of electric power and other electrical devices. Second point is artificial intelligence is known to be the intelligence inhabited by machines and software. For example, robots and computer programs. The third point is the term is generally used to the developing systems equipped with the intellectual process and characteristics of human, like ability to think, reason, find the meaning of, etc. Need for AI in power system. Power system analyzed by conventional techniques becomes more difficult because of first point is complex, versatile and large amount of information which used in calculation, diagnosis and learning. The second point is increase in the computational time period and accuracy due to extensive and waste system data handling. The next topics artificial intelligence techniques. AI is a subfield of computer science that investigates how to through and action human beings can be mimicked by machines. Second point is three major families of AI techniques are considered to be applied in modern power system productions. Expert the three types of artificial intelligence techniques. Expert system techniques, artificial neural networks, fuzzy logic system. Fuzzy logic. Fuzzy logic or fuzzy systems are logical system for standardization and formalization, approximate reasoning. It is similar to human decision making with an ability to produce exact and accurate solution from certain or even approximate information and data. Fuzzy logic is the way like which human brain works, and we can use this technology is in machines so that they can perform somewhat like humans. How fuzzy logic can be used in power systems? Fuzzy logic can be used for designing the physical components of power systems. They can be used in anything from small circuits to large mainframes. They can be used to increase the efficiency of the components used in power system. Conclusion: a lot of research in yet to become performed to perceive full advantages of this upcoming technology for improving the efficiency of the electricity market investment, distributor control and monitoring, efficient system analysis, particularly power systems which use renewable energy resources for operation. Thank you.